To make money online from cricket in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand the cricket industry. Familiarize yourself with the cricket world, including different formats, teams, players, and popular cricket leagues. This knowledge will help you identify potential opportunities for making money. Choose your niche. Decide on a specific area within the cricket industry that you'd like to focus on. This could be fantasy cricket, cricket betting, content creation, or even coaching and mentoring. Create a strong online presence, set up a professional website or blog, and create social media profiles on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. These will serve as your primary channels for engaging with your audience and promoting your services or content. Develop high-quality content, create valuable and engaging cricket-related content tailored to your chosen niche. This could include articles, videos, podcasts, or even live streaming of matches. Ensure that your content is informative, entertaining, and regularly updated to attract and retain viewers. Monetize your content. Explore various ways to monetize your content, such as advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Build an email list. Encourage your website visitors and social media followers to sign up for your email list. This will allow you to directly communicate with your audience, promote your content, and inform them about new opportunities to make money online from cricket. Leverage social media. Engage with your followers on social media platforms, share your content, and participate in discussions related to cricket. This will help you build a loyal community and increase your online visibility. Utilize platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook Gaming. Live stream cricket matches, provide expert analysis, or host interactive sessions with your followers on these platforms. You can earn money through ad revenue, subscriptions, or donations. Offer coaching and mentoring services. If you have expertise in cricket, consider offering online coaching and mentoring services to aspiring players or enthusiasts. You can create paid courses, conduct webinars, or provide one-on-one coaching sessions. Explore cricket betting and fantasy cricket. Research and learn about responsible betting and fantasy cricket strategies. If you're knowledgeable about cricket and confident in your skills, you can make money by placing bets or participating in fantasy cricket leagues. Network and collaborate. Connect with other cricket enthusiasts, influencers, and professionals in the industry. Collaborate on projects, guest post on each other's blogs, or share each other's content to expand your reach and grow your audience. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and advancements in the cricket industry. This will help you identify new opportunities and improve your content and services to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, building a successful online career in the cricket industry takes time, effort, and dedication. Be patient, consistent, and always focus on providing value to your audience.